Hello friends, my name is Abhishek Patil and I welcome you to our YouTube channel named Code Editors. We have posted video of demonstration of AI on our YouTube channel. Don't worry, I have given link in description. You can watch it from there. Okay, so these were the functions that our AI can perform. Okay, so in this video, we are going to teach you how to do chatting with our AI. Okay, so this will be the output of our program.
Hi,
Then how are you?
I am fine.
Then bye.
Have a nice day.
Okay, so first of all we will need code block installed in our PC. Don't worry, I have given link in description of code block setup. So let's open code block, new file, then hash include IO stream. Okay, we will need to make folder on our desktop naming AI. In this folder we will save our program. Okay, then let's save it on desktop in the folder AI. I am giving name ai.cpp. You can give any name. Okay, so first header file is included, then second header file hash include windows.h, third header file system.h, and the last header file hash include stdio.h. Okay, so first of all we will need to do some settings. So we will go to settings section, compiler, then linker setting. So in this link libraries we will have to add winmm.library. Okay, so I will just copy it from here and add and paste it here. Okay, then press OK and again OK. So there will be no error during compilation of our program. Now using namespace std. Okay, then int main, starting of our program, I will write a pretty message. Sorry, welcome to AI star, here star. Okay, so first of all I would like to declare character array of size 100. Then I will take input from user and store it in character array. See, we can use here scene also, but scene will not consider space. So getters can consider space between the sentences, means how are you. So space comes between how and are. So it will consider space between how and are. Okay. So let's move. Okay, so we will compare the input with our message. So if string compare, I will compare with string character in double quotation our message 0. Okay, then if the user's input is high, then I would like to play sound from our system high. Okay, so to play sound from our system we have function named play sound. Okay, so I will just copy it from here and paste it, and file name in the file name should be, we can give any file name. Okay, then else if strcmp character our message how are you, okay, equal to 0, then again I would like to play sound. So I have already made 3 audio files, and first of all I would like to tell that the audio file format should be .wav. Okay, .wav, then only it will play the sound. Okay, so I will just copy these audio files and paste it in the same folder in which we have saved our program. Okay, so remember this point. Paste these audio files in the same folder in which we have saved our program. Okay, so now let's get back. So it's very headache to compile the program again and again and write command again and again. So we will take our program in the infinity loop, means while one means infinity loop. So our program will run again and again. Closing bracket of our while loop. Then okay. So if I want to terminate my program, I will use here else if string compare ch comma by. Okay, by equal to 0, then play sound nice dot wave. Okay, nice day. Here it is. Yeah, nice day. Okay, so I will write nice day, and to terminate the program we will write exit 0. By exit 0 our program will get terminated. Okay, so I will compile it again. Yes, hi.
Hi.
As you can see, it's not terminating. How are you?
I am fine.
Okay.
Hi.
If you want to get out of our program, if you want to terminate our program, so I am writing bye.
Have a nice day.
Okay, it got terminated. Okay, so we can add many messages to our program, such as we can share our feelings with her. For example, I got less marks in exam, so she will motivate us by speaking with us, or we can do romantic chatting with her. Okay, just like normal conversation between humans. Okay, so in the next video we will teach you how to open application through our AI. Okay, if you have any problem you can ask us in the comment box. Okay, our Instagram page is there naming Code Iterators. You can follow that page. You will get knowledge about programming knowledge, programming memes, programming facts, etc. You will be daily updated. Okay, thanks for watching video. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.